Welcome guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to stop printing on Epson L3210 printer. So basically what we'll need to do is just locate these buttons. As you can see, those will be on the top, and you probably know where these buttons are. And basically now what we'll need to do is just go and take two fingers and just put it on these two buttons. So one gray and one is blue. So put two buttons right here and hold it for like 5 to 10 seconds to cancel printing, scanning, and all the processes. This function will cancel your printing from the computer, mobile, or even if you are scanning and printing with your printer. So this will cancel everything. So just hold it, and that's pretty much it, guys. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.